Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace electrical outlet.
If you're unsure about any part of this process, it's best to consult a licensed electrician to ensure that the work is done safely and correctly. To do this job, you need wire strippers, a screwdriver, a voltage detector, an outlet tester, a new outlet, and an outlet cover. Replacing an electrical outlet can be done by following these steps. Turn off the power. Locate the circuit breaker or fuse that controls the outlet and switch it off. If you're unsure which breaker or fuse controls the outlet, turn off the main power switch. Test the outlet. Use a voltage tester to ensure that there's no power running through the outlet. Remove the cover plate. Unscrew and remove the cover plate from the outlet. Unscrew the outlet. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the outlet in place. Disconnect the wires. Carefully pull the outlet out of the wall and use a screwdriver to loosen the terminal screws holding the wires in place. Gently pull the wires out of the outlet. Connect the new outlet. Attach the wires to the new outlet in the same configuration as the old outlet. Most outlets will have 2 or 3 wires connected to them, a black hot wire, a white neutral wire, and a green or bare ground wire. Connect black wire to brass color screw, white wire to silver color, and green or bare wire to green screw. Sometimes screws are the same color, so look on the back of the outlet and it will be marked where is hot and where is neutral. Attach the new outlet. Screw the new outlet into the electrical box and replace the cover plate. Turn the power back on. Turn the circuit breaker or fuse back on and test the outlet with a voltage tester to make sure it's working properly. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to ground your outlet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.